Prosecutors in Sullivan County want to try a teenage murder suspect as an adult.
16-year-old William Newkirk Jr. He's charged with first-degree murder after police said he opened fire inside the Hog Wild Saloon in Kingsport back in March. Newkirk's accused of killing 20-year-old Brett Rogers. After the shooting, the Kingsport Fire Marshal temporarily closed the nightclub. KFD officials told us today Hog Wild is still closed.
Elizabeth Kubel has been following the story for months now. She joins us live from our Kingsport newsroom with the newest development in the case.
The district attorney's office recently filed a notice of intent seeking to transfer the case from juvenile court to criminal court. So if granted, what that means is that the defendant, 16-year-old William Newkirk Jr., would be tried as an adult. It's a decision prosecutors say they made based on the serious nature of the crime. Newkirk is charged with first-degree murder and aggravated assault after police say he fired shots inside the Hog Wild Saloon back in March, killing 20-year-old Brett Rogers and injuring another man. The decision to seek to transfer his case out of juvenile court is a big one for the Sullivan County DA's office, and one prosecutors told me today they do not take lightly.
It's something that we take very seriously. We do not do it lightly, but in this particular case, because of the nature of the crime, where you have a victim who was murdered and then also another victim who was injured, it was something that we felt like under the law and under the facts and circumstances of the case that it was appropriate.
ADA Teresa Nelson, who you just heard from there, she says Newkirk has a bond hearing scheduled for this Friday in juvenile court. There's no hearing set at this time, she says, for the transfer. Live in the Kingsport newsroom tonight, I'm Elizabeth Kubel, News Channel 11 in your corner.
Elizabeth, thank you. Sullivan County prosecutors say Newkirk currently is being held in Sullivan County without bond, actually in Johnson City without a bond at a juvenile detention center in that city tonight.